Oh, that wasn't bad. Six.
I think 5 or 6, yeah.
Oh, let's call this.
Oh.
No! 7. Ooh. Oh, it's on this side.
Closer. Three.
Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this one. Of course. I had it off for a second, I was itching my nose. No. Can you go through? No. It's under there. No! I can't get this one.
What if the little kid's supposed to not move it?
Pull that one. That little one.
It's meant for little kids. Oh yeah. This one's literally.
It says 502 pounds on the sign.
That was 2,080. What the fuck?
Well, we're walking through a corn maze right now. And we're at this little farm thing. It's low-key a little smaller than we thought. But it's okay. Still gotta go apple picking though, so that's that. I don't know. It's just corn all around, obviously. Oh, and I lost my boyfriend. Oh, I found him. Oh, that's a little dead end thing. Oh, I hear people. Oh. Oh, obviously not that way.
Next question is right.
Yeah, we're leaving this corn maze because, I don't know, this stuff is just mid, like, eh. We're on a hayride right now. Currently apple picking right now. Got some apples. This is where we're at. And yeah, I don't know, just chilling. These are very sweet, oh frick, very sweet apples. I don't know much about it.